I'm still so pissed. His name was Alex Jeffrey Pretti, a 37-year-old ICU nurse who dedicates his life to treating veterans in their time of most need. And he was killed by these ICE agents in Minneapolis. I have seen the videos over and over from multiple angles, from multiple observers, and not once did I see a gun in his hand. I saw a video with an agent walking away with gun, and after that agent walked away, they shot Alex. Kristi Noem needs to be impeached and prosecuted, and all of these ICE agents that shot him, that aided and abetted this homicide, needs to be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. We need law and order, not this chaotic killings that are happening by untrained ICE agents, and we need to dismantle ICE before this continues to escalate.